In this video, we'll go over how to add and customize the Recipe of the Day widget. The Recipe of the Day widget is a great way to keep your screens fresh, helpful, and engaging with rotating recipe ideas. It can be useful in restaurants, cafes, grocery stores, break rooms, hospitality spaces, wellness areas, or any screen where you want to share food inspiration, seasonal ideas, or helpful daily content. To get started, go to Campaigns. Open the campaign you want to edit. Next, select the zone where you want the Recipe of the Day widget to appear. Once the zone is selected, click Add Widget. From the widget catalog, search for Recipe of the Day or scroll until you find it. Click the widget to open the settings. At the top, you can rename the widget so it is easier to identify in your zone content list. Next, you can adjust the cycle interval. The cycle interval controls how many seconds each recipe stays on screen before switching to the next one. For example, if the interval is set to 20 seconds, one recipe will display for 20 seconds before the next recipe appears. You can also choose whether to show ingredients. If this option is turned on, the widget will display the recipe ingredients on screen. You can also choose whether to show prep time. If this option is enabled, viewers will be able to see how long the recipe takes to prepare. After that, choose the style you want to use. There are different styles available, such as recipe card, cookbook page, modern minimal, chalkboard menu, and neon diner. Choose the one that best fits your campaign design. Each style can be customized with different colors. You can adjust the background color, text color, primary color, and accent color to match the look of your campaign. You can also choose the fonts used in the widget. The global font helps control the overall look, and you can also adjust the title font and description font. You can change the font family and font size to make the recipe easier to read on screen. Once the Recipe of the Day widget looks the way you want, click Insert to Zone. The widget will now appear in the selected zone. After the widget is added, you can still make changes. Click the pencil icon to edit the widget settings. You can also duplicate the widget or delete it if needed. If the zone has more than one piece of content, you can increase or decrease the occurrence count to control how often the widget appears. You can also adjust the duration to control how long the widget stays on screen before moving to the next item. If needed, you can enable a schedule, so the widget only plays on certain days or during certain times. When everything is set, click Save. If the campaign is already assigned to a live screen, click Save and Update Players, so the update is pushed to your players right away. That's how to add, customize, schedule, and manage the Recipe of the Day widget in your campaign.